So let's start now. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Great. So just like what we're doing, this will be a consultation meeting. So does anyone has a question or clarification so far from week 1 up to week 6?
Sir, I do have a query po sa case study.
Case 2?
Case study 2, sir.
Case study number what?
2, sir.
Okay. So what is your question regarding the case study number 2?
Sir, dun po sa question na, what do you think is the most logical and practical choice if you're into a small or large business? Sir, are you referring dun sa cloud provider po ba like Azure? Or dun sa
Yes,
service model like IaaS? Okay, sa Azure AWS, sir.
Yes, Mayan. Actually, all of this, you can choose one. Could be AWS, cloud computing, IBM, could be Alibaba, Salesforce. You can choose any of those. You just have to justify why you think it's the most practical one among the others. You know, if you're into small business or large business. So,
Thank you, sir.
was I able to answer your question? Okay. So again, we have a lot more. So not just what we have in here. These are just some. These are just 15 to 20 examples. We have hundreds more of different or other cloud providers out there. Okay, so you can also choose them if you want. So all you can do is justify that that is the most practical company or service that you're going to have. So any other concerns or clarification? All right, so it seems that there is no more other question. So for your last activity before your midterm exam, I added a new one, okay, which is 100 points research activity. So just check this one out. So this is just a pre PowerPoint presentation which talks about emerging technologies, what is emerging and then what is not emerging technology. So here are some examples. I think it's very straightforward. So a car is not emerging technology. A flying car is an emerging technology. So video games are not emerging technology, but ones that use motion capture like Xbox, Kinect are emerging technology. So get idea? So open that attached document and complete it to learn more about what emerging technology is. So this is actually what you're going to answer. So regarding with that, Mr. Alexis, those are the services that is being offered by each of the company. So AWS offered ES, PaaS, even the Google Cloud, they offer the same ES, PaaS. So those are just categories, or let's say major categories under the cloud computing. So here is your last activity before your midterm exam. So I would like you guys to answer each of this. So go to this website, okay, and read and copy the definition of emerging technology. Okay, it's actually very straightforward. And similar with this one, okay? So what is emerging? This is also a website. So look in the history section and what is the disruptive technology and give an example based from this website. Okay, same with the number 2 and 3. And the same with this one. So scroll down through the most recent articles and then choose any 3 and summarize each of them in 3 sentences each. Okay. So again, this is also based from this website. Similar with this one, we have this website. So on the right side of the page are different sections. Click around the home, choose 3 gadgets that you would like to see in your home and describe each in 2 to 3 sentences. So what is that gadget? And then what is the description of that gadget? So again, 2 to 3 sentences. For the last one, so using this website, so click the link and read the article, Evolving Robot Tackle Grueling Ironman Triathlon. So summarize this article in 5 complete sentences. And then once you're done in filling this one out, then that is the one that you're going to upload in here. Okay, so it could be text, entry box, or file upload. So are we clear so far for this emerging technology research activity?
Sir.
Were you guys able to follow that one? Okay. So yeah, the due date of this one will be on June 15th. So you guys have 2 weeks from now to finish this research activity. Okay. And yeah, that's right. So maybe next meeting is coming June 8th. So we will not meet anymore. So you can use that one to review or finish all the activities. And then June 16th, I think. Let me just check. June 16th or June 15th. Yeah, June 16th. So June 16th will be your midterm exam. So from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So just to take note that you guys will only have 2 hours for this exam. Okay. Well, don't you guys worry. My exam is super easy. So yeah, that's basically it for today's meeting. So if you guys don't have a yes, posted lahat ng Zoom meeting. Okay. So last meeting I did put here the link. This one right here. And then for today's meeting, of course, I will put the link here later on. Okay. So that is all for today's meeting. So if you guys don't have a question or clarification anymore, you guys may go now. So happy lunch to all of you and a blessed day to everyone.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, happy lunch.
Happy lunch.